So today is February 16th, Thursday, around 10 o'clock. I'm at my cousin's house in Arizona. Today I'm gonna spend some time with family and then have a flight to LA around 8 o'clock. It's so beautiful out today. Actually, I have a better idea. Check this out. So what are you about to perform?
A trick.
Alright, show me. That's it?
Yeah.
Really?
I have another trick.
Okay, show me.
Doing exercising.
Is that really a core work? Do you do this every day?
Yeah. Nah. Some days. Sometimes.
So over there's a fountain. It's gonna shoot up to 560 feet. It's the world famous fountain here in Arizona. I've never seen a cactus in my whole life. Check this out. Touch. If you ever want to go hiking, Arizona is a great spot. Alright, gotta go down.
Come back because I like you. How do you vlog?
Alright, so this is how you do it. So you gotta hold this thing right here, and then you just talk into it. But you don't want to look over there, you want to look right here. You see?
Oh, yeah, I see that.
Yeah.
Look, never you
Here.
see it.
Bye. Oh, thank you. I'll miss you.
Miss you too, bye.
Running a little late, so I decided to just skateboard.
Thank you.
Thank you. So Christina welcomed me by hitting me with her car.
Why do you have a skateboard? You don't have to skate.
Yeah, I might skate. Yeah. I'm gonna skate over there. Alright, so I'm going to end this vlog right here. I just want to say one more thing. It feels great to visit family. I had an amazing time. And stay tuned, I have more good stuff coming. And I'll catch you later.